Good morning. It's 7:50 and I'm going to a pickup. I'm going to, drumroll, Kravice waterfalls and Mostar in Bosnia Herzegovina. So I'm bringing my passport. I'm going to another country. Oh God. I don't know if this is gonna work. Well, of course it's gonna do. Hopefully I will be at the right place for the pickup, but you'll never know. I'm going to this road and to the bus stop over there.
Fortunately for them, already 3,500 of them died in the first 2 days of battle, while only 250 Croats died. But ultimately, after 4 days, the first segment have already fallen. Croatians retreated in a...
Okay, so we're here at Kravice waterfalls in Bosnia. Oh, now you really hear it. I don't know where I am. Am I where? Where is this? Embassy of Sweden? Don't know. So I think I might go down. My dumb idiot, I forgot to put the battery in my camera. But this also happened because of me losing my battery pack and the cables and stuff, because I had an extra battery in the side over there, and yeah, stupid. Big frog. We're gonna meet here or here. So, this is the group. I think we're gonna eat now, and we'll actually have a view of the bridge. You hear the bells. After the bells, there will be cheering from another church, because there are Muslims and the others living on each side of the bridge. Maybe this is where we'll eat. Oh, nice. Maybe we'll go for a swim. 1.5 hours before we're gonna leave. And here we can make a shortcut to the bridge. It's only 20 years ago that it was all destroyed here. So the rebuilding is remarkable. Now it's also very touristic. Very, very touristic. The bridge is rebuilt and it's quite wide.
Somebody died today.
Oh, and there's the beach. It is beautiful here. We sat, where did we sit? We sat over there.
So that they will cover my whole.
And you can get people to actually jump the bridge, as you see here, for 20 euros. This is one of the old ways boys had to do to become men in this town, as a tradition to show themselves their manhood. And also to let all the people in the village know that they are strong and have courage enough to get a wife, so to speak. It's 22 meters, but they're only teasing us, I think. I haven't felt the water, but it's supposed to be freezing cold. I'm going to the other side. This stairs are a little bit different as well, but they work. So let's see if there is some difference from this other side. It feels a little bit more Muslim. Yeah. It does. Here you actually see there's so many bullets holes on the house, and there's a lot of graffiti here. So here we have the two sides. There's a mosque and there's a church, and they sort of compete to which one is the loudest. I've been walking through before. Yeah, they are slippery limestones. I bought a key ring. No, I bought a beer opener, Mostar. I just want to jump in. Looks like you can sit there and have a meal. so now he actually dropped me off, and I asked to drop me off by a supermarket. There is actually one supermarket here as well, but maybe a bigger one over there. I have sort of a headache. Yeah. There's actually one here as well, so I think I'll take this one. I need a massage or something, because I think it's because of heavy lifting. Not heavy, but yeah, all the way. So wasn't this super nice? I had problems with Wi-Fi, and he was connected and everything should be working, but it didn't for me, but it did for him. And then he said, oh, but I'll bring you my laptop and I can use it all night, and he'll take it again tomorrow. So nice, host, so nice. So now it's time for some entertainment again. I stay at ballet apartments, and she is a ballet teacher, and they have like a show today at the cinema. So I hope I will find it and see the show. It starts at 9 and it's now 8:15, I think. And I'm also wearing this one. That was a present from the Shakespeare in Love cast. So this is actually the first time that I can use it, because otherwise I always need to have a lot of things with me. So, but now it suits me very well. You have Dubrovnik over there, and the cinema will be down here. And I have to look at the map to find the right way. So this is where I'm gonna go inside, Svetica. But there is a gorgeous sunset going on. So he came, the guy, I don't remember his name, but now I don't need to go around. I can meet him up front, because otherwise I had to go around the cinema. But now he will meet me there. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Wow. This reminds me of Malaysia. So thick. Catch me, I'm falling. So this is the front of the cinema, I think, maybe. It's called Kino in, here you have different. And I'm standing here on top of a terrace, and this is actually the Dubrovnik cinema. My God, and I'm gonna look at a dance performance that's gonna be here. And he told me that used to be like a bar, and you could get hamburgers and popcorn and everything when he was a small kid here. But now it's private, so they've had to put up a fence. But when he was a kid, he was here all the time. There were cinemas all the time, and they had a lovely time with partying, and also this amazing cinema that's outside. And now they're going to perform here in 30 minutes. And here the audience comes. And here he is, Mr. Linka. So this is quite beautiful, isn't it? And this is the view to the other side. That was a show. That was really nice. I think they said 18 groups of, yeah, they showed 18 groups. Am I going the right way? There's supposed to be somewhere where you can walk up, and maybe this is, I'm going that way. I think this is it. Yeah, but really, they've been working for this for a whole year, and now it was examination. There were a lot of bending backwards. There were a lot of kicking and a lot of splits.